Hi everyone! Today I will bring you the new update of Deadpoly. I think this is the first update of this month, so I am very excited. This is the update 02.2, and this update comes with a lot of bug fix, some changes, and add a lot of stuff, including the one I was waiting the most, the gramophone and records. So let's stop wasting time and get started with the patch notes. Let's talk first about the new stuff that this update added. Additions. First version of the base claim flag has been added. Expect changes and improvements. Gramophone and records have made their long-awaited return. Added a few more collectibles. Added basic muzzle flashes to gunfire. Will continue to adjust and expand these. Added sound when the item salvager munches an item. Added option to host a LAN game, along with the option to search only for local games in the Find Game browser. Added direct connect option in the multiplayer menu to join games. Via IP port achievements are working again. Many more achievements to be added over the next few updates. Added more admin controls for server administrators. First iteration of locked servers where inventory travel is disabled for server hosts who want vanilla survival-style servers. So far, those are the only stuff added in this update. Now, let's talk about some changes in this update. Changes adjusted harvest. Objects like trees, rocks, cars, etc. to save their remaining respawn duration throughout the playtime. Instead of requiring uninterrupted playtime to respawn, harvestable objects may respawn on first startup after this change, then be good afterwards. Bush-type foliage no longer blocks melee weapon swings. Adjusted how the game loads. Item data to prevent picked-up items for not being added to inventory if the underlying information hasn't been loaded. Campfires burn wood at a more reasonable rate. Now, faster. Reduced grizzly and deer respawn timers. Adjusted consumable items to attempt a fix for consuming. Not working in multiplayer as client. Adjusted consumable medical items to heal more efficiently without wasting available remaining health for other damaged body parts. Changed how many of the functions on the firearms perform actions over the network. Unique player IDs in the Trust menu and admin panel are now copyable. Adjustments to player death setup to prevent mismatched death states. Crop plots can no longer be harvested by non-owners in PvE and no-raid game modes. Okay, those are the changes. Now let's see the bug fixes. Bug fixes. Yet again attempting a fix for zombies, sometimes sliding away slowly after being escorted beyond their undeath. Fix issue that would cause trees, rocks, cars, etc. to not be removed as expected when joining a multiplayer session. Greatly increased how large of an inventory you can travel with. There is still a limit. If you load into a game and your inventory doesn't load, it's because you're trying to bring too much stuff in. Fixed issue with crop plot. Interact menu not working as it should. Fixed multiple ADS bugs that would allow your character to do some totally wicked, back-breaking rolls where the upper body didn't move, while the legs whirled around your character like wagon wheels, Rippy Sinistero's kickflip. Fixed firearm not unscoping when ramming the gun into objects. Fixed some bugs with the world map displaying friends incorrectly sometimes. Fixed some of the diners not having updated doorframe sizes. They are also slightly bigger now. Fixed not being able to loot player bodies after dying in situations where the body slides or moves far away from original death point. Fixed some issues with the battery charger not updating its charge status light and the battery being charged. Not being visible on the actual charger when it should fixed issue that would allow you to skip craft timers by looting container. Okay people, that is everything in the update or patch note, however you want to call him. Just to make it clear all this information is the same that is in the notes, I haven't changed anything. I just make this video because there's a lot of people that don't like to read or understand better if they hear the information. And last, this is my first video of this type, so if there are any change or any suggestions, I will be more than happy to hear it. Thanks, and see you in Garden City.